Have you ever wondered why some diets work and others don't? Have you ever wondered why some diets work better than others? Why some people swear by low carb, low fat, high fat, while other people prefer whole, clean, and healthy foods? The answer to these questions lies in macronutrients. Macronutrients are three categories of nutrients that provide energy to our body, and those are carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Each one has a specific role in our body, and they work together to keep us energized and healthy. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy, and they come in two forms, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates come in the form of things like fruits and candy, while complex carbohydrates come in the form of legumes, whole grains, and vegetables. Protein and proteins are the building blocks of the body. They are made up of amino acids that our body needs to repair and grow muscles and grow tissues and organs. Good sources of protein include meats, eggs, fish, nuts, and again, legumes. Fats are essential for our body as well. They help us absorb certain vitamins, they protect our organs, and provide a secondary source of energy if you don't have enough carbohydrates in your system. Healthy fats can be found in avocados, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and of course oils like olive oil. Understanding these macronutrients is the key to creating a healthy and balanced diet. By including all three of these macronutrients in your meals, you ensure that the body gets all the energy and nutrients it needs to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.